Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to talk about 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords to do with dyslexia, and this is the last part out of the 6 parts that we did on the channel. You can find the full playlist available and linked below in the video description. All of the 4 videos that I did about dyslexia, Amazon KDP keywords, these are great keywords to incorporate in your title, subtitle, or in your 7 keyword slots for any book that you create, whether it's medium content, high content, low content to do with dyslexia. Now let's dive in and have a look at the first keyword for the day. And just before we do, if you are interested in a daily updated list of Amazon KDP keywords that are carefully researched, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. And there will also be a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica linked in the description box below as well. And Creative Fabrica is my go-to when it comes to KDP interiors, KDP graphics that can be used to make covers as well as interiors. I also have my own store linked in the description box below that offers KDP interiors available for commercial use. You just need to make some slight changes and upload to Amazon KDP, and I will also be able to list more interiors about dyslexia in order to go hand in hand with this series. If it's something that you're interested in, let me know what kind of interiors as well you're interested in so I can be able to add them to the list and dive into the keywords research. So let's have a look at the first keyword for the day, and our first keyword for the day is dyslexia tools for adults. This is an amazing keyword. It fits all the metrics when it comes to profitability. Now we're using a total of 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of each of the keywords on this channel. This is a great keyword for the 7 keyword slots as well as for the subtitle, so either the 7 keyword slots or the subtitle, because it's very general as well, and it will really be quite easy to get ranked for this amazing keyword. First of all, we have a strong and solid keyword niche score of 83 by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension, and we also have a clarification by Amazon Scout Pro, which has given us a number 6, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. Coming to the total results, they're sitting under 1,000, and they're currently sitting at 635. We have the average bestseller rank under 300,000, and it is averaging 143,924. The average reviews is 760. Average price is $43.59. Now be mindful and keep in mind that the majority of the results in this section are to do with, not the majority, but most of them are to do with dyslexia tools. So you can find some results like, for example, this pet scanner. There are books as well that are being ranked under this keyword, so this is also a great opportunity for us to take advantage of that. They're also not sponsored, so there are no ads running. This one, for example, has a bestseller rank of 142,504. We've got the adult side of dyslexia, another great book also with super great 5-star ratings. We've got dyslexia, finding my superpower. We have a couple of other really good books, the parenting guide for boys with dyslexia. Now do keep in mind some of them are sponsored, so for example this one is sponsored. You can easily see that on top of the title. These ones are also sponsored. This one's not sponsored, sitting at a bestseller rank of 628. This one's 217,000, and it has wonderful 194 ratings as well for that. So that was the first keyword for the day. Let's dive into the second one, and our second one is dyslexia font books for teens. Now this is another great keyword to utilize. If you want to utilize it for the 7 keyword slots, that would be ideal. Also, if your book does have the dyslexia font used inside and it is dedicated for teens, that would be an amazing opportunity to utilize it for the subtitle as well. First of all, we have a keyword niche score of 40 by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension, and also a clarification by Amazon Scout Pro, and it has managed to give us a number 9, the highest on the scale when it comes to the keyword niche score, categorizing this keyword as a great niche. Coming to the total results, they're sitting under 1,000, and the current total results are 189. The average bestseller bestseller rank is also ticking the box by being within that 300 to 400,000, and it is currently averaging 346,215. Average reviews are a massive 1,164. Compared to the total results, the average price is $13.33. Dyslexia font books for teens. Scrolling down here, we want to avoid the sponsored posts. We want to focus on any of the books that are ranking quite well, that are independently sold. For example, this one's with a bestseller rank under 100,000, sitting at 15,000. We've got a couple of other books as well that are having really good bestseller ranks. This one's at 2,681, 1,700, so that's 3 right there with a bestseller rank of 100,000 or less. This one's sitting at 99,000, so slightly on that edge of 100,000. This one's at 38,000, 4,000 again. So dyslexia font book for kids was our second keyword. Let's dive into our third keyword, which is dyslexia reading books for kids ages 2 or age 7. My apologies. Dyslexia reading books for kids age 7 has a keyword niche score of 60, which is also acceptable. It's quite good as well. The total results are 1,433. Average bestseller rank is sitting at 107,805. Average reviews are a massive 3,158, and we've got an average price of $9.43. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the number 5 given by Amazon Scout Pro because it contradicts the data that we have right here, and I'm going to be sufficient with the keyword niche score given by Titans of 60, and that's exactly why you need to activate all 4 free Chrome extensions to have some data to compare against and to also make a critical decision on what is the best keyword for the title and the subtitle. So we've got the total results within that 1,000 range, the average bestseller rank under 300,000, really good amount of price and a good bestseller rank. Scrolling down, we do have a couple of books also that are under 100,000. For example, this one as a third result is not sponsored. It's sitting under 100,000. For the bestseller, it's currently 51,000. We've got 2,000 right there. We want to ignore this because it's not sold as by an independent publisher, so we don't want to take this into account. We've got 20,000, so that's 3 books right over there with a bestseller rank over 100,000 or less. This one's the third one. This one's the fourth, the fifth as well. That is quite enough for this keyword. Dyslexia reading books for kids ages 7, ideal also to be used for the 7 keyword slots for any book that is a storybook, and I've shared a couple of storybook related keywords for dyslexia in the previous video if you'd like to watch that as well. So let's have a look at the fourth and final keyword for the day, and it is dyslexia reading books for kids ages between 8 to 12. So dyslexia reading books for kids age 8 to 12 is our fourth and final keyword for today's video, and it has a strong and solid keyword niche score of 66 by Self-Publishing Titans, and it has also a clarification by Amazon Scout Pro right at the bottom here. It has managed to give us a number 7, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. Coming to the total results, they're sitting at 969, so it is below 1,000. The average bestseller rank is 173,066. That ticks the box. It is under 300,000. We've got an average reviews of 1,570, average price of $11.79. So the previous keyword was the exact same, but it is specifically for kids ages 7. This one's for kids ages between 8 to 12. You could utilize both of these keywords for the subtitle or for the 7 keyword slots out of the 7 keywords if it is targeting children between these age groups as well. So these were the 4 great last part of the dyslexia Amazon KDP keywords. I'll see you in the next video.